Lesson Plan 15, Worksheet. First activity is to make a two-tier colorful cake with a single candle on it. To do this, open the Blender software. Delete the default cube shape. To make two-tier cake, we will take a cylinder shape. So add the cylinder shape by pressing Shift+A and then selecting cylinder. Let's change the size of the cube. To do that, go in Object Properties. I am selecting X value under scale as 3, Y value as 3, and Z value as 1. Now to change the color, go in the Material Properties and select the color. Deselect the node and select the color of choice. I have selected R as 0, G and B as 1. Now let's add the second tier to the cake. For this again, I am taking the cylinder shape. Now it is behind the first tier of the cake. To bring it up, I am selecting X on viewpoint. So to bring this up, I have to move this by 2 boxes in the Z direction. Let's do that. Go in the Object Properties and change location Z to 2. Now to change the size, I am selecting Scale X and Scale Y as 2. And keeping the Scale Z as 1. To change the color, go in the Material Properties and select the color of your choice. I have selected pink. Next we have to put one candle on the top of the cake. For that I am selecting cube shape like this. Let's reduce its size by selecting Scale X as 0.2, Scale Y as 0.2 and Scale Z as 1. Now to bring this on the top, change location Z to value 4. Change the color of the candle. And it's done. To make flame, we will take UV sphere shape. Let's reduce the size. To change the size, let's select Scale X, Y as 0.2 and Z as 0.7. To bring this up on the top, select location Z and change the value to 5.5. Go in the Material Properties and change the color. And it's done.